Hello, and welcome to the CCW Programming Summary tutorial on how to view your project and information in Connected Components Workbench using the Rockwell Automation Connected Component Accelerator Toolkit. If you remember from the previous video, this is your project folder, which holds the reference documents. If you enter into Programming, you can find your CCW file. Double-click to open. If you open the CCW file, which is also opened after you generate your project initially, and turn your attention to the left side, you will see the project organizer. The project organizer includes the program modules for the project. It includes product modules, which handles the interface with individual devices. The user-defined function block section, or UDFB section, holds the UDFBs that were developed to provide often used functionality and makes them available for both the provided programs and any machine-specific programming. These UDFBs are to be used as is. One feature that simplifies your design work is the extensive set of variables that are prepared for the products in your system. These variables use the assigned names and make the parameters for each device readily usable. The global variables contain all variables used to communicate between the various programs and between the provided programs and the machine-specific programming. They include system variables and individual product variables, with the individual product variables using the product names: conveyor, sponge, separator, heat tunnel, all names that were given to the products. Going through the programs, the status and command programs are required to interface with the products and handle the standard communication and data manipulation. They usually are not changed. They are easy to interface with by using the global variables. The quick starts contain information on working with the program and a list of commonly used global variables. The CCAT uses a state machine structure as the example to demonstrate how to interface with the status and command programs. There is a basic state machine control program and example programs to make it easy to add the user's specific actions at the appropriate times in the state machine cycle. The 5 main are abort, clear, main, reset, run, and stop. The Getting Started Quick Start provides more information on working with the state machine. If you do not want to use the state machine, simply delete the associated programs and implement your own machine sequence control code. The final thing listed in with the programs are the application examples. The CCAT includes optional application example programs associated with the different status and command programs. These optional programs offer both examples of ways to interface the different types of status and command programs with the state machine and different control options for the products and building blocks. These programs are included only as example code for you to use. These programs should be deleted after you have copied any example code that you need from them. At the bottom of the project organizer are an extensive set of HMI screens. Included in these screens are a machine overview, machine functions, a state diagram, monitoring for your machine, status and command screens for every product, device overview for every product, and fault help that show text description and suggested action for a fault. You can also see here the tags for the screens and edit, change, or add them at this location. To conclude, the CCAP provides a foundation for your project, which makes it easy to configure your system and add your machine-specific code, resulting in a faster development cycle. This concludes the tutorial for CCW Programming Summary. This concludes the tutorials for this sample project. Thank you for watching the CCW Programming Summary tutorial for the Connected Components Accelerator Toolkit.